Alright, still working through this pallet of mystery boxes. We're almost done. Let's get... they both feel pretty light. Oh well, this one's almost empty. Sometimes that happens, you get boxes that are not very full. So let's go and see what's in this one. Aim of the game here is to open the mystery box and try to make a profit by selling the product in my store and on Amazon. Sorry, on eBay. Oh, look at that, we've got some... This one might be alright. Some Adidas slides. Sweet. Wonder what they're worth. Let's have a look. All brand new in box. We've got 4 pairs, all size 7. Oh yeah, they're nice. Cool. We're going to sell those in summer for sure. So I will actually list those and they'll go out on the shelf. One of them will be a display. Oh nice, it's actually got that to display it. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so let's go and list these, see how much they're worth. So we've got our box open and we're going to track the value within my software here. So we'll scan the UPC and then the AI is coming back with the value at $20, saying that we should list them at $13.99. I'm good with that. We've got 4 pairs. So straight away the box is worth 55. So your box is worth $55.96. We've got 4 pairs of these Adidas slides. Oh, we've got a pair of Nikes too. So this is going to be a nice box. Easy sellers. Alright, so I'm going to get these all displayed up and then get right back to you. Alright, so they've all been set up for display. Got price tags on them, $13.99 a piece. And now, let's see what this is worth. Got a pair of Nikes. Hopefully they're good. Huh, these are just like the other ones I got. Yep. Cool, so now we got them in black. So, these are probably worth about $50. So I am going to see if I can get a barcode on this. Looks like there is a barcode. I'm going to try to get it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I pulled them up. They're $52.14. It's coming back at $25.99. I think we can probably do a little bit other than that. So I'm going to go $29. Actually, let's go with yeah, $29.99. So list those. It's asking me if I want to list it on eBay. Not these, not really worth it for me. So I'll take these out of the box, get them labeled up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we put a size sticker on there, size 6Y, 6 youth, and $29.99. There we go. Alright, they're ready to go. So let's see what other shoes we've got in this box. We've got 2 boxes, they both look like shoes. These are heavy. Save the heavy ones till last. Alright, let's see, what are these? Nike Quest men's road running shoes. Oh, more Nikes? Damn. I'm in luck today. Let's have a look. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So let's see what they're worth. So we'll do a search for them, because that's not the UPC, so it's not going to pick it up. But actually what I'll do is I will scan the FN SKU and then scan the label with my phone, and the AI will read it and then find the value for it. We'll do an image search on Amazon. Image search and text search, so pretty useful. Okay, so it's sending it back to my software. Software's got it. Now let's see what it comes back as. So here we go, Nike Quest men's running shoe. So we're going to verify the price. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to go on eBay and take a look. So brand new, 39, so they look like about the same. Yeah, so they're the same, so about $51, $52. So that value is high, but it's probably Amazon's valuation. So Amazon's always higher than eBay. That's not really working very well, so I'm gonna put it on eBay for $50 so I can move them quick. So here I'm gonna put the comp in at 60, and I'll net probably about $40 on eBay, so I'll put them in my store for $39.99. and so that way I'm making the same money either way. So we're going to list that, and now it's going to ask me, well, it should ask me if I want to list it on eBay. It's not, because there's no UPC, so I'm going to refresh it, and then I'm going to show you something cool. So now we're going to go eBay, click eBay, list on eBay. I'm going to scan this UPC, this QR code. Now you guys haven't seen me do this, but this is like one of the most powerful things about my tool. I can list things on eBay and in my store, and if it sells in my store, it gets taken off eBay automatically. So I'm going to take some photos here. I'll probably do this. Front. Alright, so I've submitted all the photos. Now watch this. I come over here to my eBay drafts, hit refresh, and there it is right there. So I'm going to sell it for $54.99 and publish to eBay. Now the AI is going to create the title, it created the description. Now it's automatically sending it to eBay, and it'll be live in my eBay store. Extremely powerful. So if it sells in my store, it'll get taken off eBay, and if it sells on eBay, then it gets taken off my website as well. So pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to get these tagged up, and then I'll be right back. Alright, they're all done. So we're at $125.94. So this is actually a really good box. Didn't feel like a good box, but it's going to turn out to be a really good one. So let's see. This is a return. These feel like boots or something. This is the last box. Let's see what kind of shoes these are. Yep, they're boots. What brand? Dr. Martens. I'm pretty sure they're valuable. Pretty sure they're pretty expensive. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are expensive. Let's have a look. I'm going to do an image search on eBay and try to find out what these are worth. Oh yeah. Yeah, we scored. This is a great box. So they're going to go for about $80. Why is that guy trying to go for $360? That's a little intense. If you're doing eBay research, you always want to go by the sold items. That's where you get your most accurate comps from. So we want to go condition, new. Alright, let's have a look. So 25 bucks. That's not great. 110. Why did new other, that's why. New other. Okay, 174. Man, these comps are all over the place. Why are these so high? Is that, oh, they're probably, it's because they're all different versions. Let me see if I can get the actual version from the tag. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to do some more research and see if I can find it. So I can't find the exact comps on these, so I'm just going to do them for a really good deal in my store. I'm going to do them for 50 bucks. They're brand new. Someone's going to get a steal for them. So we're going Dr. Martens suede boot. Dr. Martens shoes. Reference price is probably, I don't know, 90, let's just say. It's probably more like a 100. So recommendations. So again, we're just gonna, yeah, $49.99. I'm good with that. Happy. Someone's gonna get a good deal. Make some money. This was a nice box, so it's all good. So we're gonna go ahead and push to square print. I'm not gonna bother putting these on eBay because I don't think it's gonna take long to sell these. Not at this price. So I'm good with just putting them on the shelf for 50 bucks. And they are size 8 US. So we're going to make a 8 US and make a little label for them. That's it. Okay, so that's the end of the box. Let's see what the value was. That was a good box. That was fun. That was nice. I like finding good stuff like that. So $175.93. Not a horrible box. And the retail on that is probably easy $300-400. So Good scores all around, nice work. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to get a mystery box, you can buy them from our website at dealsdownunder.com. If not, keep watching the content. Oh, and if you like anything that you see out of them and you live in Hot Springs, go ahead and go to our website and you can buy them from our website and pick it up. Should offer shipping soon. Stay tuned.